The UK's car manufacturing industry has experienced a drop in the output for 8 consecutive months, with production slipping by 41% in February, as global semiconductor shortages and the permanent shutdown of Honda's Swindon plant are having a continued impact. According to the latest figures by SSMT, around 61,000 cars were manufactured in the UK last month, representing the weakest performance in the last 13 years. The industry had entered the new year with hopes of recovery after car output sank to the lowest since 1956 last year, and it was half its level 5 years ago. Although the global chip shortage has been causing some factories to pause production, and the ongoing geopolitical war between Russia and Ukraine is likely to pose more challenges still for the sector, as it's pushed the commodity prices to record highs, especially aluminium, nickel, and palladium. With that said, let's narrow in on 3 FTSE-listed automotive shares. Saietta is a global engineering company engaged in designing and manufacturing complete powertrains for electric vehicles. It's developed innovative pattern-protected axial flux technology, or AFT, electric motors designed for highly efficient EV drivetrains. The company is listed on the FTSE AIM All-Share Index with a market cap of £133.95 million as of the 24th of March, and since the beginning of this year, the company has performed quite as well as its year-to-date return stands at negative 38.67%. Saietta's shares closed trading at 157.50 GBX on the 24th of March as well. Next, TI Fluid Systems is a leading multinational developer and manufacturer of fluid storage, carrying and delivering systems for light vehicles. The company has reported an increase in revenue by 4.9% to €2.9 billion in financial year 21 from €2.8 billion in the previous fiscal year. Its operating profit increased as well to €126.8 million from a loss of €176.3 million in financial year 2020. This was driven by recovering revenues and the non-repeating of the year's prior exceptional impairment charge. TI Fluid Systems is listed on the FTSE 250 index with a market cap of approximately £1 billion. Since the start of this year, the company hasn't performed as well as its year-to-date return stands at negative 22.83%. TI Fluid Systems shares closed trading at 196 GBX, up by 1.03% on the 24th of March. And then Aston Martin Lagonda Global Holdings is a UK-based independent luxury car designer and manufacturer that operates in over 160 locations across 53 countries. The manufacturer reported an increase in revenue by 79% to around £1 billion in financial year 2021 from $611 million in the previous. However, Aston Martin reported losses before tax of £213.8 million, down from $466 million in the prior year as well. The company is listed on the FTSE 250 index with a market cap of £1 billion as of the 24th of March. And since the start of this year, its shares haven't performed quite as well, with a year-to-date return standing at negative 32.28%. Aston Martin Lagonda Global Holdings shares closed trading at 906.80 GBX, down by 1.15% on the 24th. And that concludes our list. Now that you're up to speed, hit that bell icon to stay up to date. I'm Shields for kalkinemedia.